my name is Ashley and I'm going to show you my wrinkle repair skincare routine, which targets the face, neck, and chest areas where fine lines and wrinkles develop. My routine includes Ivage Eye Rejuvenation Treatment, STEMUderm Anti-Wrinkle Treatment, and Revivitone Neck and Chest Repair Complex. Let's get started. For the first step, I use Ivage, which targets crow's feet in the delicate eye area. Main ingredients include phytonadione, also known as vitamin K, which rejuvenates tired eyes by helping to prevent dark circles from forming. Ivage also contains hyaluronic acid, which plumps, tones, and texturizes to help banish those pesky crow's feet. The next step is to use STEMUderm, which targets wrinkles in the nasolabial and forehead areas. Main ingredients include fruit cell culture, jojoba seed oil, and hyaluronic acid. Fruit cell culture are fruit stem cells taken from an extremely rare apple found in Switzerland, clinically proven to have skin-renewing properties that help promote youthful-looking skin. Jojoba seed oil and hyaluronic acid help soften, smooth, and moisturize to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The last step is Revivitone, which targets wrinkles in the neck and chest areas. Main ingredients include multipeptides, which boost collagen production to help firm and tone your skin, and hyaluronic acid, which plumps, smooths, and softens your skin to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. That's my targeted wrinkle repair treatment with Ivage, STEMUderm, Revivitone, and me, Ashley. Thanks for watching.